This is a short announcement about the new channel I recently created, the Moden Web Architect. When you follow this channel, the NETNODE Agency channel, I posted several videos about Node-Headless CMS in English language. In the future, I won't do that anymore on this channel. This channel will be mainly about the NETNODE Agency and maybe projects we created, as well as event announcements, webinars we do in mostly in German language. The new channel I recently created will be about technology, about Node-Headless CMS, but many other tech and strategic topics. So if you're interested to follow there, please consider subscribing it and see you there. Thank you for your interest.